trim it at both ends. All right. Welcome, everybody. Thank you for supporting our Apple campaign. We prepared a little presentation for you to really show you how you could register the bags of apples. And we just wanted you to know that we're doing the Apple campaign in order to help promote our BYOD, to help support our BYOD, which is our Bring Your Own Device program here at George Street Middle School. So let's get right to it.
So how do you go about participating in this year's Apple campaign? It seems rather untraditional in the sense that students are not going to be selling tickets door to door. We'd ask that you stay within your own bubble, your own family and friends bubble, and you would ask if they would like to purchase apples for our campaign. Keep a record of who you sell your apples to. And then what you would do is collect the names and collect the money, provide that to your parents, and then your parents would go to School Cash Online. In order to get to School Cash Online, please visit this website, and you can either register or sign up if you sign in if you already have an account.
Now, when you sign in, this is what you're going to see. You're going to see two options. Option one is purchase bags for donation and purchase bags for purchase, basically that you're for your personal use. And you have a choice. You could purchase a combination of one or the other or both. You will see that. Now, our donation bags purchase will go to the child youth lunch program through the Community Foundation.
So here you can see that you have selected purchase bags for pickup. When you get to this screen, you would simply come down here to step one, which is enter how many you're buying. This means perhaps you're buying 3 bags to pick up. 1 bag you sold to your parents, 1 bag you sold to your grandmother, and maybe the next bag you sold to your neighbor next door. You can check your subtotal and then proceed to add to cart. This will allow you to continue shopping, just in case you want to buy bags for donation as well.
So in this case, if you want to buy bags for donation, in our example, you go here, it's 2 bags for donation. You check here, the amount is $5 per bag, 2 bags, and then you add to cart. Keep in mind the bags for donation do not need to be picked up. We take care of everything here, and last year we gave almost $1,500 of support to our community partners.
After you continue shopping, you'll come to this summary page, what's in your cart. You can see here that we've purchased 2 bags for donation that are going to go to the community kitchen, and we've picked up 3 bags that are going to personal use for a subtotal of 25. It's important to check that you have ordered the correct amount and verify your purchase before going to continue.
And then you'll come to this page in which you select the method of payment. Always check. I have 2 bags for donation. I have 3 bags for pickup. And pickup is occurring on October 9th from 12 noon until 6 p.m. And one of the things that we do ask is that when you go ahead and organize for pickup, it's important that the kids don't bring 7 bags home, because that'll be too many bags for them. However, you could come by and either pick up for all your clients or just pick up for yourself. And it will be important that you do keep a running record of to whom you sold the bags to. That's it for now.
Yeah, we can't wait to start giving out some prizes. We've got some random draws each day. We have Skip the Dishes lunch delivery. We have all sorts of great prizes, including a very special purple versus gold prize that we've yet to reveal. Most importantly, though, we really want to say how much we appreciate everybody's support in our campaign, and we appreciate everybody participating in this.
Well, thank you very much, everybody. Take care.